Hello friends, I hope you have liked my last lecture that was on the IUPAC naming of mono and bicyclic systems. So let us take few more examples on the naming of bicyclic system, specifically on the numbering of the system. So this is the bicyclic system. Now in this you can see these two positions are bridge head position. These two positions are bridge head position. And on the one side of this bridge head we have 3 carbon bridge. On the other side we have 2 carbon bridge. And here we have 1 carbon bridge. So overall we can say this molecule contains 3 bridges and 2 bridge head positions. Now how we will numbering this system? The numbering should start from the bridge head position. So either in this example you can see both the bridge head positions are equivalent. So we can start from either of the bridge head position from here or from here. Now we will move towards that bridge which contain more number of carbon atoms. So in this way we will move 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 and in the last to the bridge which contain minimum number of carbon atoms. So the numbering should be like that. It crosses the longest path. So you can see if you move in this direction 1, 2, 3, 4, there are 3 bridges, 3 carbon bridges, and here you have 2 carbon bridge. So we move towards the longest path. So this is how the numbering is done in case of bicyclic system. Now let us take one example. So for example we have this molecule. Now what will be the name of this compound? As in the last lecture we have discussed, normally if hydroxyl group is not there, the name of the compound become bicyclo, because it is bicyclic system. We will put bicyclo, and the total number of carbon, if we count every carbon, we have 8 carbons, bicyclo, and on the one side we have 3 carbons, 3, on the other side we have 2 carbons, 2, and we have 1 carbon. So bicyclo 3,2,1 octane, as we have total 8 carbon in this molecule. So the name of this compound is bicyclo 3,2,1 octane. And this numbering is given in decreasing order. So highest first, then least. Highest to least. Now we can change the molecule little bit. I have introduced the hydroxy group in this compound, in the same compound. Now these 2 bridges are not equivalent in this case. This one and this one bridge is not same. We will start the numbering from the bridge from where the functional group get the minimum number. So by this way the numbering will be 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 and 8. The name of this compound become, earlier it was without this hydroxyl group, the name was bicyclo 3,2,1 octane, and now due to the introduction of hydroxyl group the name become, as we do in the case of alcohol, the E get replaced by the ol, the name become alkanol. So we replace this E with the ol, alcoholic group, and it is available at the second position. So finally the name become bicyclo 3,2,1 octane 2-ol. Let us take another example. Say for example, we have introduced hydroxyl group at this position. Hydroxyl group at this position. Now the name become, as we have already discussed, we will move towards the longest path. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and this position become 8. So this molecule is bicyclo 3, 2, 1 octane 7-ol. The name of this compound is, because this time the hydroxyl group is at the 7th position, so name become octane 7-ol. I hope by these two examples the numbering in bicyclic system is clear to everyone. Now let us discuss the IUPAC naming of Spiro system. But before that, let us take few fused system. So for example, we have these two, this molecule. In this, a 6-membered ring is fused with the 4-membered ring and fused with this carbon. Now, the IUPAC naming is similar to the bridge head bicyclic system, but in this, what we do, the numbering will be similar, as we consider this as the bridge head position. At one side of the bridge we have 2 carbons, on the other side we have 4 carbons, and in this you can say there is no carbon, zero carbon. So the name of compound will be similar to the naming of bicyclic bridge head compound. So what will be the name of this compound? If we count the total number of carbon atoms, the total number of carbon atoms are 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 8 carbons, that means octane. And we have 4 carbon at one end, 2 carbon at the other, and 0 in the other side. So we have 4, 2, 0. And as this is the bicyclic system, the name become bicyclo 420 octane. Let us take another example. Now this time you can say this is the fused system containing a 6-membered ring and a 5-membered ring. 2 rings are fused. So in this you have 3 carbon bridge at one side, 4 carbon bridge at other side, and there is no carbon in this bridge, so 0. So the total number of carbon atoms you can count, there are total 9 carbons. So with 9 it become nonane, and in square bracket we will write the bridges in the decreasing order. So 4, 3, 0, and in the initial we will put bicycle. So this is about the naming of fused system. Now let us take few examples of Spiro system, Spiro alkane, cycloalkene. Now what are Spiro system or spirales? If we see in the fused system, 2 rings are fused with 2 carbons. Here also, if we see the bicyclic bridge head system, the 2 rings are connected through 2 carbons. But if we talk about the Spiro system, the 2 rings are connected through 1 carbon. So now, say for example, in this molecule you can see 2 4-membered rings are fused through single carbon atom. So such systems is known as Spiro system, or we can call them the compound we can call spirales. Similarly, we can take this example. So in this example you can see a 6-membered ring and a 5-membered ring is connected through 1 carbon atom. So such system will be named as Spiro system and spiral. Their IUPAC naming is little bit different from the IUPAC naming of the bicyclic bridge head or fused system. So how you will give the numbering of nomenclature of such system? Now you will start numbering from either of the position next adjacent to this connection. You can call them a connection. So you will start the numbering from the connecting position. So next to the connecting position. So this will be 1, 2, 3, crossing this 4, 5, 6 and 7. So this is the naming of spiral system, numbering of spiral system. So how you will name this compound? As you can see, there are 3 carbon at one side of the this connecting position, 3 carbon on the other hand of the connecting position. So the name become spiro. We will put spiro first and in the square bracket in the increasing order. हमने बाईसाइक्लिक बेस हेड के केस में क्या किया था? हमने जो नंबरिंग स्क्वायर ब्रैकेट में लिखी थी that was in the decreasing order, but here हम उसको in the decreasing order, but here we will write the numbering in the increasing order. But fortunately we have both the side, we have 3 carbon atoms, so we will write 3, 3. Spiro total number of carbon atoms are, you can see 7, so it will become heptane. So this is the name of the spiro system. Now we can take another example. You see here we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 carbon at one side and 4 carbon at the other side. The name of this compound become, and this time here both the rings were of same sizes, but in this case both the rings are of different size. So we will start the numbering from the shorter ring. ये 6 member है, ये 5 member है, the numbering will start from the shorter ring. So we will start the numbering from here 1, 2, 3, 4, then 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 and 10. That means total number of carbons are 10 and 10 carbon वाला alkane बनता है decane, and in square bracket we will put the numbering in increasing order. This is very important. बाईसाइक्लिक सिस्टम में हम जो नंबरिंग लिखते हैं that is in decreasing order, but स्पाइरो के केस में हम नंबरिंग लिखते हैं in the increasing order. आप यहाँ पर देखिए 4 कार्बन है, यहाँ पे 5 कार्बन है. We will write 4, 5 and initially we put spiro. So the name of this compound becomes spiro 4,5 decane. You can have such examples from the books or you can choose by your own. So with this, thank you very much for your patient listening